Today I am going to show you one of my favorite learning tools that is called Book Creator. Many of you might have used it, but if you haven't used it in a while, there's been lots of updates. So you can create a free account and you can use your Google credentials and your login. So you click Teacher Sign In and you sign in with Google. And then you can choose your account. And now you're in. So we have no books in my library because I just created my account. But what's great is this. Now this is new, this is a teacher dashboard. And so you have Miss Thomas's library, you have my books, you have books that are shared with you. You can create a new library. Discover is great, so you can also search by grade level. So you can see kindergarten books, maybe you have a math journal, maybe they do their weather journals, all kinds of different things. So then elementary school, obviously you have then other things, and middle and high school. So there's just a lot of ideas for if you maybe haven't used Book Creator and you might kind of want to see what that is. This also, it's great because you can click podcasting and now you can see there's a whole book about podcasting for the classroom. So even as an educator, you can kind of learn from the things that are on these books that are on Book Creator, which is pretty awesome. And then I'm going to go back to our dashboard and then you can learn. So you can learn about Book Creator, you can create books, you can manage, share, all these things, accessibility, app smashing, all kinds of stuff. So you can even become a certified author on Book Creator, so you can view the course and do that. There's weekly webinars, there's all kinds of stuff. So again, resources by grade and subject level. And now, so all of that is pretty new. Now also, if you want to start a new book, what's great is not only do you have this blank books, which we had before, but now we have a template option. So you have a template, so kids can make a photo book, they can make a cookbook, they can make a yearbook. This would be great for the end of the year. All kinds of stuff. And then there's different themes depending on what they want to do. So you can start with a template, or like always, you can create your book from scratch. So you, as a teacher, have 40 free books that you can create. And then I believe if your students create their accounts in your class, then they have an unlimited amount of books that they can create. So this is such a cool tool. And even this little search button down here, it'll kind of give you just if you have questions, you can use that little search bar. And I was going to show you if there's anything else. This is just going to show you your library, and then this is going to show you that's how you get to your student logins. So you can create your student logins with Google. They can sign in by scanning that QR code or clicking the personal link. So you type your students' names, and then it'll give you that info to share. So again, Book Creator is amazing. There have been so many updates and changes on Book Creator. And, let me show you also if I do a new book. And I'll just say, for the sake of this, let's just pretend I want to make a cookbook. And let's say I want to add, you can import anything from your files. So you can embed anything, you can use your files, you can use your drive, any of that. You also, when you add things, you can add different shapes, but on your media, kids can record themselves reading. So not only do they need, potentially here, if you add text, they can do this. Let me show you. If we add, another cool thing, I'm just going to show you all the cool things here today. So kids can start drawing. So let's say they want to draw a star. And then watch what pops up on the top. They have all kinds of stuff. So did you mean this? And if I did, then it'll automate. So that's pretty cool. And then, like I said before, I'm going to be done with this. And we are going to add, and I'm going to add text here. So I want to use just normal text, and then I'm going to go like this. And so I can click on this microphone and I can say, and I'm going to let my allow, and I'm going to talk, and it's going to record my voice, and that way I don't have to worry about typing, and I can write as much as I want, and it is pretty amazing. Exclamation point. So, therefore, your kids don't have to be great at typing. They can talk all their story into their storybook, and then you click done, and it's there for you again. And then, like I said, if you wanted to record something, you can start recording. You can say, today, after you read this book, you will have learned how to make the perfect chocolate chip cookie. And then you can listen to that recording and use that recording. And so then your kids can actually read the book after they create it. So there are lots of different things, especially in this, when you use the templates. A lot of things are going to be locked on there. When you click on something, you click this information button, and you can unlock that, and then you can change whatever you need to. You can delete it, you can change the font, the colors, all that stuff. So once you have something highlighted on here, that's the I button is how you kind of change the look and all that stuff. So again, if you need more help on this, obviously I am more than willing to help you. You can just email me at stomass@carvenschools.org, or you can call my extension at 3139, and I would love to help. So if you want to get your kids on Book Creator, today's the day, and I hope this kind of inspired you to have your kids create some cool books and to share them with the world.